Okay, Sahil, let's get started.
All right.
On the bacon bomb. तो पहले क्या करें? What is the first step?
All right, let's start with the bacon, of course. So take a few slices.
Okay.
And probably just chop them up really fine.
Okay.
You can take about 3 strips and just chop it as fine as you can.
And with the fat?
With the fat, always.
Always. Okay. Or you do something as well while I'm working.
So I'll take the pork mince that we have.
Okay.
And I'm going to season it. I'm just going to do some basic salt and pepper on this.
Okay. और ये जो है वो bacon mince है या pork mince है?
It's pork mince.
Pork mince है. Okay.
Yeah. White pepper, some garlic powder.
Okay.
And some dried Italian herbs.
Okay, तो mixed herbs जो भी आपको पसंद हो.
The pork is seasoned. I mean, we have to fry the bacon now.
Okay, we have to fry that. So let's get this bacon cooking. Okay.
Yeah. To make it very easy to wrap our bacon bomb, just put cling film on the cutting board.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's a really good tip actually.
And you can do this for anything that you're wrapping up or.
Should I cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So while that bacon is getting crispy, put our pork mince on this. And you want to shape it like a square almost.
Okay.
Now I'm not very good at shaping things. this will do, yeah. So we're going to stuff it with that crispy bacon that you're done with. And we're going to put some, we're going to grate some cheese in this.
I have a grater right here.
Absolutely. So
Yum.
बेकन अभी काफी क्रिस्प दिख रहा है.
तो इसको ठंडा होने दीजिए.
So we only need a little bit of the peppers. So we'll just sort of take a piece of it. So you don't need too much. और इसको strips बनाएंगे.
Okay. जिसको कहते हैं julienne.
Julienne.
And as you can see, साहिल cutting board का हर हिस्सा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है. Like a good boy.
Yeah. So बहुत peppers का जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि नहीं तो वो बंद नहीं होगा.
Also peppers ऐसी चीज़ है कि काफ़ी overpower करती है, especially capsicum. I love them, लेकिन ज़्यादा अगर किया तो थोड़ा overpowering हो जाता है. So you have to always be careful when you're using peppers. और ये इतने सुंदर भी दिखते हैं ना?
Yeah. And when you cut it open, you can actually see all of them.
Okay, do you think ये डाल सकते हैं अभी?
Yes, we can.
Okay, fine.
Not all of it, just half of that.
Why?
It'll spill out.
Okay.
Bacon bomb explode होएगा oven में ही.
लेकिन इसलिए उसका नाम बेकन बॉम्ब है, right? So basil के साथ क्या करें?
So we'll just put them in whole actually.
Okay.
And now it's time to wrap the bomb.
Okay.
So this is the tricky part.
Okay.
Roll that on top.
Yummy. Oh, और उसको बस ऐसे रोल किया.
Yep. And you just यहाँ side से बंद करना है.
Very cool.
And bacon bomb ready हो गया है. Now we need to cover this with more bacon.
I love this recipe. Bacon के अंदर bacon के ऊपर bacon.
It's all round bacon.
It's all around bacon.
तो अपना wrapping तो हो गया है.
Okay.
Now like you would hold a newborn baby.
And scare it with your heavy metal voice.
We have to baste this with some barbecue sauce.
Oh wow.
Which I will give you the honor of doing.
Okay.
And be generous with that barbecue sauce.
Okay. और you know what I love about barbecue sauce कि ये किसी भी चीज़ पे डाल सकते हो. Barbecue chicken के ऊपर, fish,
Beef.
beef. Okay, that's a good tip. और barbecue sauce या ठीक है ये?
ये सही है अभी के लिए.
Okay, perfect. तो हमने oven को preheat किया है 200 डिग्रीज पे. ये 30-40 मिनट लगेगा, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Sahil, will you open the oven door?
My pleasure.
Sahil, I can't take it anymore. Please, वो bacon bomb को खाते हैं, please.
चलो,
Oh,
I think
come
it's
on.
ready.
मुझे भी देखना है. Don't you need two?
I think one hand will be enough.
Oh yes, heavy metal boys are usually quite strong. They're strong and they can cook.
And they can cook.
ये तो एक नई डिस्कवरी है. Wow, look at that. Okay, इसको इस सुंदर से ग्रीन प्लेट पे डालते हैं, please.
Of course.
Okay.
So good heavy spatula so it doesn't fall down.
Right. Everybody, Headbangers Kitchen Special Bacon Bomb by Sahil Makhija. What's the name of your band?
Demonic Resurrection.
From Demonic Resurrection. Just for you.
FoodFood. It's sizzling.